Hey guys, we are Team 7, and this is our presentation for our project. My name is Emmanuel, and this is Luis and Brian, and we are your host.
So our application is called Discover Downtown Washington, and our design process involved doing a Reddit scrape, which resulted in persona creation. So we created three personas, Andrew Smith, an amateur cyclist and outdoorsman, a Jordan Reynolds, he's a trail explorer, and Eleanor Thompson, who is a trail explorer and a community advocate. Um, we did co-design sessions, which resulted in low fidelity prototypes. And we also did Wizard of Oz testing, which involved doing a cardboard cutout, which used our low fidelity prototypes to sort of resemble a real life app or a real life phone. We did a contextual inquiry using AI generated protocols, and we did mid and high fidelity prototype development on Wix. So some of our key learnings of these design sessions, um, we developed these low fidelity prototypes. Based on tasks tailored to the personas. So the first tasks were to, or the first task was to find and plan a historical tour. So here you can see these buttons of our sketches, which result in planning a historical tour. Our second task was to listen to and download an audio guide, which allows for reading, but also hearing audio. So some of our key learnings of doing like the Wizard of Oz, the Reddit scrape, even the critique protocol, where was that users expect intuitive navigation and clear labels. Audio interaction needs visual feedback. Naturalistic tasks yield more actionable feedback. Community wants walkability, cultural immersion, and ease of use. And we have to prompt the participants effectively. So I will give this to Luis to talk about the mid-fidelity prototype.
Yeah, so based on what we had researched from our key learnings and our digital process design process, we were able to come up with our mid fidelity prototype, which is right here. And so all of this was based on our research. So our navigation bar, even the color scheme, what we were learning is like what we were trying to get from what we gained from that is like what people want to see and specific parts of the website to be improved and such forth. As you can see, you can kind of see the bare bones whenever we're working with the low fidelity program, how that ended up involving into our mid fidelity prototype right here. Um, and yeah, so you can see here's the audio guide, and you can see what is it? The audio guides right here. So how to transition from the low fidelity over to the mid fidelity prototype. And yeah, so the as we were working, we were trying to make sure that what people were struggling to use in the low fidelity prototype, we made sure to improve on it in the mid fidelity prototype. And And one of those examples is the refined audio control for accessibility expectations. We made sure to include that when we were making this and such forth. And yeah, I'll pass it on to Brian to talk about our mobile view of our site. Oh, E-Man, sorry, I'll pass it over to E-Man for mobile view of our.
Yes. Can I take control of the screen? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Hey, so this is our mobile. It is built for mobile friendly in the Wix. It has interactive maps and the audio planner, the journal photo sharing included, and community resources as well. This is the mobile version, and as you can see, it works pretty well. You can go to different up slides or like the address as like to contact us, the things about Washington to get to know them, and also the home button. And so yeah, and This is a QR code as well if you want to visit our final website and test it out for yourself to see how it looks like. And yeah, I'll pass it back to Brian.
So we had a great time this semester practicing these different types of UX methods, and we are proud of the final design. So thank you for your attention, and yeah, thank you.